Hi, this is Robin Thorne with Coffee Laboratory. We're going to show you how the COLORTRACK system works today. The original COLORTRACK was designed to monitor the color of coffee during roasting. The real-time software is still available and monitors time, temperature, as well as color with help of the laser module. Here we have a dark roasted whole bean sample, and next to it the same sample after being ground. So now we're going to place the whole bean sample in the reflectometer, and we close the door and set the timer for 20 seconds and then push start. Now we'll see the reading as the unit stops. And we get a reading of 77.74 for the whole bean. Now we're going to take the whole bean sample out and replace it with a ground sample using the same beans. Push the start button for 20 seconds. At the end of the 20 seconds, you'll hear a beep, and that'll tell you the sample's done. Counting down. And we get a reading of 77.32. So you can see there's very little difference between the whole bean and the ground sample. Now what we're going to do is take that sample out, and we're going to put in a ground sample. This is actually espresso coffee, and we flattened the top fairly well. This is more like a medium color here, so it's going to come out a little different. Let's see what we get here. This is 68.46. Now we're going to take the same sample, and we're going to just sort of mess the top up a little bit and put some dimples and craters and that sort of thing in there. And let's go ahead and put it back in there and see what kind of a reading we get now. And as the timer counts down, we get 67.59. Again, very little difference between the landscapes on the sample. By selecting the drop-down menu, you can switch from COLORTRACK to Agtron. And you'll see the Agtron reading here is 34.52. Because a lot of facilities still use Agtron machines, we have provided an Agtron scale. And if you need to edit that scale to calibrate a particular Agtron machine to the COLORTRACK, you simply go in to the edit scale mode, select the scale you're going to edit, and then you take a very dark sample and a very light sample, and as many as you can in between, and take the measurement on the Agtron machine you're trying to correlate to, and then take the same sample and run it on the COLORTRACK, and then you simply key in the COLORTRACK readings on this side, the Agtron readings on this side, and the software will develop the scale for you, and then this COLORTRACK will read exactly like that Agtron machine in the future.